How to convert PDF file to Word and edit the document. So first you want to bring your PDF file that you want to convert, and then open up your browser and head to Google Drive and make sure you're signed into your account. Now you'll simply need to upload your PDF file right here, drag it and drop it on your Google Drive. Now once this is uploaded, you want to right click on it and click on Open With, and then choose Google Docs, and it should open up your PDF file in Google Docs. Now in here you can simply just edit any text that you want, and what you can do is click on File and then click on Download, and then choose Microsoft Word to download the file as a Microsoft Word file with the edits that you have made. You can also click on the share button and choose anyone with link, and then simply copy the link and send it over to anybody to share this file. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.